Crazy crab. Children, have you seen a crab? Make a crazy crab with the help of given paper, bindis, wool, beads, etc. Follow the given instructions. Take the given sheet and cut it in circle shape. Fold it from the center. On the upper side, make eyes and smile of the crab. Now, fold it and make weeping eyes with the help of wool and beads as shown. Make a reverse smile on downside. See, your smiling crazy crab starts weeping as you open it. Wow, it's so amazing!